All you need, it's a degreaser, pass load degreaser, and a pass load oil, and 532 Allen key. First you want to do, take apart the 4 screws on top. Remove the cap assembly. Then you take apart left and right screw. And the tool should come apart by itself like this. So cleaning the cylinder head, all you need, it's a little bit of a degreaser spray, not too much. Take a rag and just wipe everything, the dirt around it. Make sure these 2 oil rings here line up the opposite side of that little cut, so you can make a nice seal on the combustion chamber when you put it back together. So this is how much oil you need to put on the oil ring. Just a couple of drops. And then you rotate it. And that's it for your handle assembly for quick cleaning. Your combustion chamber cleaning, all you need is to spray a little bit inside, around. Take a rag and wipe out all the dirt inside and on top of the piston. So this is your piston assembly. You push it all the way down, take a little bit of the oil and drop it inside, and then you move back your piston. Come on, move up, move up. Shit's coming. Up and down a few times. Then the combustion chamber have some teeth there, like right inside there. What you want to do, drop a couple of drops of oil. Come on top like that, right way around. Not too much, you don't want to kill it. And then you press your nose piece a couple of times like that. You also can press your nose piece down like that and then go right around the seal if you want. Up to you, but not too much of oil. Putting it back together, just line it up like that, slide back in, hold it together, and tighten up back the screws. Make sure it's lined up properly. Put back your cap on, lock up the 4 screws. Double check it, make sure it's moving nice and smooth. Put your fuel cell in, push as hard, it should click. And then your battery, go to the back end of this, press down, and you're ready to go and work. To pop your fuel cell out, blue button, pop right out. Battery could be on sleep mode. You can leave it like that on sleep mode or take it all the way out.